Can I get a hand for a sec? The wire harness here doesn't line up with any of the schematics. They don't even line up with from what's on one side of the connector to the other.
Oh, wow.
So, making it difficult to do pinouts. They've changed the connector and stuff like that.
Hey.
What I'm looking for here is, it's not going to start, but if we can do an extended crank on this, I want to monitor to see if I have any noise on any of these during cranking.
Yeah, okay, no worries. So just do one at a time, I guess. Is that what you're going to do?
Yeah, I'm on one right now. Go ahead and crank it.
Ready?
Yeah.
The bearings outside.
Okay, go to the next one.
Parts or anything yet? Or?
I don't know. I haven't pulled the wheels off yet.
Okay.
I'm not really.
Yeah, go ahead and crank it.
Yeah.
Okay. And put my next key on here. Crank it. Oh, hang on. Oh. I think I came off of it there. See that, or that's my issue one. Okay, crank it. That was my fault. Okay, good. Everything stayed at 10.5 or better. Okay. That's good for now, thank you. Oh, actually, I just turn the key off.
Key off? Okay.
Yeah. Let me see what I lose here.
Keys off.
Keys off. The top one there. Top one. I have no power out here at all with the key off.
You should have a constant, shouldn't you?
I should. That's interesting.
So no constant voltage.
Well, there's more than one connector out here. Let's check this connector.
Ah, yes.
So this one here goes to the distributor, I think. Yeah.
Still nothing.
Still nothing. Any other connectors there that I'm not seeing? What's this one here? Oh, that one there is definitely a distributor. Okay, that's a distributor one there. This one here, I think it's fan control. Maybe. Oh no, that's
Coolant temp.
Oh, it should be coolant temp. But why is it coming back up that way? But you see that the colors don't match. So I got that one there too.
Okay. There you go.
Yeah. Yeah. Welcome to my life.
I just heard about that. Texted me.
Okay.
Either way, no power. Nope. I can put a split loom on this afterwards. Let's cut this off. We have these things in stock. So I can replace those, no problem. What's this one? What's this one here?
Yep.
That one there is. Oh, that's the O2 sensor. Okay, don't worry about that. That's O2 sensor.
Gray rags off the 51
Gray rags off the 51.
on the fenders.
I don't remember taking them off, and if so, I would put them in the back of the vehicle, I think. No, I try my memory. Yeah, I don't remember doing a full shut on the hood on that thing. Tip you. Come on. You are a thorn in my side. Okay. There we go. There's a wire repair in there. Can't see through here. What's going on right there? Orange, yellow. Try to have X-ray vision to this. X-ray vision. Let's try using some words. Okay. What am I going to do? You. I need a little bit of heat to peel this off. Yeah, a little bit of heat it is. Assume she's done with my heat gun here. Okay. There we go. Oh, look at that. They got a splice going on there. That might be right from Vitech, or they might have done that. I don't know. That's right in here. And I don't see any other obvious signs. Okay. We'll protest. Trying to get out apart. Just want to do a stress test on these. See if I find a bad connection. Oh, what's this? It's stretchy. I'll come back to that one. So, one top bottom there, the middle and the side over here.
I got more room than you do.
Oh, because you don't have the watt motor down there? Or?
Yeah, that's got that the core wiring too, so it's yeah, it's totally different. Yeah, cut off that fucking bracket.
Yeah, that's it. We should have to weld it back on.
Yeah.
Put it there for easier testing. You can access it there. Okay. Yeah.
I agree.
This one? It's a Mexican.
Oh, really?
Yeah. That's for more gentle work. If you
Yeah, in place under the dash.
that, or especially when you're working with like this type of loom.
Oh,
it,
yeah,
it melts so easy,
we had.
right?
Yeah.
It basically melts at the same temperature as the
Yeah.
heat shrink. So it's not my favorite stuff, but it is what it is. So yeah. Okay, I want this thing to act up again. I may have to run this battery back down, see if that's a factor. It shouldn't be a factor. I may have to call Tech on this again. Oh. Please don't start. Dash. There's the battery here again. TPS. Injector duty cycle. Air temp. Where's my battery voltage? 12.4. Oh. See, now it's at 11.9. It's a long time to recover. $7.6. See there, when it stays above 10, it starts. $12.2, $12.3. Which one is your battery sense? This is the question. Not showing any size of charging either. Yeah, I'm going to get closer here so you guys can see that. I was having conniptions. I can actually hear it. That's off right now. I heard something back here like click, 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 on, off, on, off. I think this thing has other electrical issues. So this is showing charge.
Oh, it smells like a boat.
Anyways, that's what I'm dealing with. More thought.
I knew that was gonna happen.
Yeah. And sometimes it's nice to do a little bit of predictionless, and you'll catch like a
Exactly.
and you'll catch maybe a third of it of the stuff that you'll actually need, right? Okay. There's some weird stuff going on here. Okay, then captures too fast here. This thing we can get it to reproduce. I'm going to flood clear. Now it's in at 12.3. I have this in a different setting. I have this on the 100-volt scale. You'll see why in a moment. I'm going. Okay, so much for flood clear. That should not have caught. Yeah, right now, check it out. Still pulsing. And Pump rate. Feel.
I can already see your throttle body was fucking
Yeah.
burning inside there. I didn't
Yeah.
do it. I could see it.
That's why I had to start back up and so. Okay, try this again. So it's 12.4 there, 12.42, 12.4, 12.3, 12.4. Of course, it's going to start every time now. And in case you're wondering about me charging the battery, well, I haven't charged the battery now for about an hour. I took that off about an hour ago. Oh. What I wanted to demonstrate is this thing will still pulse the injectors after I shut it off. Or it seems to anyways. Fault for me. 12. It's not very even. There we go. Now that's more even. Like, look at the start here. So I'm wondering if that's no ignition. I'm wondering if that's actually. No, I can't. There's no way for the injectors to be putting that type of voltage back into the primary circuit. La, la, la. Starting to need you to feel like you did this morning. 12.3. It just catches right away. .6 update, you're not 13.6. Oh, you're slow. Do I need to cycle this? Are you frozen? You're frozen. Okay, dashboard again. Hey, how fast is the sample rate is the other thing you gotta wonder about. But so 12.6 there, 12.55 here. What am I waiting for? Let's go. Starts every time now. Of course it does. Of course it does.
Yeah, it's Kevin.
I see that's going all the way down to 6 volts. Okay, so that went down to 6 volts there. At any point in time here, does that drop down that low? Oh, yeah, looks like it did. Maybe. Let's just start around and turn off. Start around and turn off. Okay. Let's zoom in. Right here. Let's go to the next section. Does it end here? Okay, what do we got? Nope, never went down to 6. But it's still 10. And right from the battery. Let's get these things all lined up here. Okay, I don't have any voltage drop there. These are now all 10, 10, 10, same line. All 10. Nothing happened to 6. So why was I getting a 6 on here when I have good voltage out there? It grounds to the body. I already checked our voltage drop at the starter, which is the same as the block. So it's looking like it's right in the Phytech itself for the bad readings. And like I said before, sometimes after you shut this off, it keeps on trying to fire stuff. It'll keep on running the fuel pump, and you'll see this thing cycle or flow rate, fuel pump keys off, and that's still pumping. And my voltage is still jumping around at that time too, after I turn the key off. So apparently this thing never worked perfect. It has worked acceptable. So we're yanking this off. We're going to be putting a Sniper 2 on. These are so many questions. Sniper 2 has a different system. This does a pulse width modulated thing for the fuel pump, whereas a Sniper 2 does not. It just full throttle all the time. So we find that sometimes putting on the Sniper 2, or the Sniper 1 for that matter, will cause the fuel pump to be all of a sudden very loud. That's because it's running at 100% when it's not supposed to be. This will run at like 60-70%, whatever it kind of needs. That way you can put on a larger pump. It doesn't get too worked out too hard. This also has direct timing control, whereas the Sniper 2 system, you still need to have some sort of control of the spark without punching back into the computer. So you need a pressure regulator, change the fuel lines. Going to need a relay for the fuel pump. Or I need to go with the PDM. What else is there? Oh, you need a, what's it called? The spark control module as well, or the driver anyways. Not a big fan of the multi-sparks. It's doable, but if you're tuning, or if you want to look at secondary ignition, it erases that. It also changes your base timing as well. The way you're supposed to be running that. Been tricked by that before too. Sometimes you don't have to start it as early. So much to think about. Anyways, I know I'm getting good power to it, good ground, and this has been a joke. So, confirmed. There's no external sources with the key off that's going to cause that. No alternator, engine stopped. Yep. Okay.